Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Guide. Today I have a very interesting teaser for you which is viral on all the social medias. Before going to the teaser, please subscribe for more such teasers. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the notifications. So here we have question of our interest which is storming everybody's brain on the social media. So guys, you have any thought whether it is 1 or 16? Here actually the confusion is whether to add or divide or multiply the numbers in the equation. Don't panic guys. To solve such confusions we have a rule called BODMAS rule which says brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, first the brackets of the equation should be resolved and then we have to go for the division and then multiplication and then addition and then we have to subtract the remaining numbers whatever we get. So it is applied to our equation as shown here. Let me explain you. First here the brackets are to be resolved according to the BODMAS. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Next we are replacing brackets with multiplication. 8 divided by 2 and then it is multiplied by 4. Now the confusion is we have to divide first or multiply first. If you divide you get 16 as the answer and if you multiply first you get 1 as the answer. So which is the correct decision here? As BODMAS says, division always comes first and then the multiplication. So we are going to divide 8 by 2, we get 4 and then it is multiplied by 4, we get 16 as our answer, which is the correct solution of this equation. I hope my explanation reached you and helped you in solving this equation. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.